The fact of the matter is, promoting good self-esteem, this is something that can save someone's life. I mean, we're literally at that point. To be a part of the school system and to think that children are just coming in and getting an education and there's no other social or emotional factors going on that could impact that is so flawed. So when we take the time to really promote how good you feel about yourself, your self-confidence, these things are critical.
Major thing to remember is that our kids are always watching. So we really have to role model. It's so imperative that we have conversations with them about stress, that we talk to them about what they can do age appropriately to reduce their own stress. It's okay to take a break. It's okay to take a couple deep breaths. Whatever your child likes. So my child is really into sports, but if it's sports, if it's art, if it's music, whatever it is that they really thoroughly enjoy, making sure they're spending those times, joyous moments, along with dealing with the stress in their life.
To be comfortable in your own skin and to claim who you are is going to be so important.
That's the message Dr. Nekeshia Hammond is sending to more than 150 University of South Florida students at the Intercultural Student Leadership Conference.
You'll have setbacks, you'll have disappointments, you'll have failures, things are going to happen. But the most important thing is, what is your mindset during that time? This right here, this is what it takes. The personal development, whether you're thinking about how can I develop myself better as far as my cultural identity, as far as spiritually, physically, emotionally, mentally, business-wise, relationship, whatever it is, or a combination of those things, you have to be constantly learning. That is the only way you will be successful.
Diversity and inclusion, it starts at home. It absolutely should be starting at preschool ages. Community has to care. And it doesn't just look like people that look like them, but especially the people that don't look like them.
You are enough, because this is what they need to hear. We need to reduce the amount of children that are attempting suicide because they feel like they're not enough, because they feel like their peer made fun of them because of how they looked, because of how they spoke, because of how they dressed, or whatever other things that we, are constantly in the minds of our youth. It is harder. It absolutely is hard. There's an extra layer of things that people say. You're judged for how you look, you're judged for maybe how you speak, and all of these things because you're not necessarily quote unquote a part of the majority. So it is more difficult and there are more pressures, which is why there has to be a lifelong process dedicating to building yourself up and being as strong as you can